Alright guys, so you just unboxed your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Let's start it up and let's do my initial impressions. So start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow! Alright guys, so let's start this baby out. I just unboxed it, and if you guys haven't catched that video, you could definitely see this is the initial setup of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I'm definitely digging the phone so far. It looks the same, but I'm just really loving this blue color here. But when I put it in the case, I'm gonna regret it because I'm definitely digging how the phone looks. I think so. How's the fingerprint scanner? So here's the first time that I actually had it without the plug hooked up to it, and it actually looks, it's in a decent spot. So here's what you get when you start up. It says hi, hit the start button. So you have to insert a SIM card. I don't have a SIM card in there right now, so let me just hook up the Wi-Fi real quick. So the Wi-Fi is hooked up. Let's hit next. All terms and conditions. Diagnostic data I like to check off, and the privacy policy. Let's see if we can check that off. So you do have to check that one, and it checks it for you. Okay. So as you guys can see, it's checking for data here, and if you guys are seeing like a little pattern on the screen, that's what happens. Alright, so now we gotta sign in to my Google account. Alright guys, so I just put in my Google account. Let's see what happens here. Let's get back into focus. So let's put this autofocusing back on. Alright, so we're back into autofocus. Hopefully I don't gotta do nothing. So now it's asking for my backup and which one do I want to restore, but I'll just do that for right now because I just want to see exactly how much memory is outside the box. Out the box, you could say. Alright, so it's asking if you want to set up the intelligence scan or the face recognition or the iris scanner or the fingerprint scanner. So let's do nothing for right now. I'll probably make a video on that one. And so now it's asking for more stuff about the agreement. Google Assistant is up next. So as far as the way the phone feels, I think it feels pretty nice. So now it's asking to sign in to your Samsung account. Let's hit skip. Skip it. Do I want to skip it? Yes, just skip everything. Do you want to restore data from the Samsung cloud or from your old device? No, I don't. Don't restore. Check out these useful features. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. I am pretty much zoomed in there. Hit next. Alright, so it's loading. Alright guys, so this is a T-Mobile account, so they want to collect stuff. Let's hit close on that one. All done. This is what your home screen actually looks like. So let's head into, okay, so let's just go into storage. Let's see how much storage it is out the box. You do have a lot of stuff that you do have to take to account here. So let's go into storage. Okay, so out the box you do get 14.3 used for data, and the available space is 49.7. So you do guys, so we do have a lot of storage left, and you can actually clean now because there's some stuff that's already in there. So it's cleaning up, and they cleared out 16.3 megabytes. So let's see if there's anything else that we should look for. Let's look for apps. So the only apps you get here are your Google apps, of course. You do get your Samsung app, GPay, calculator, calendar, camera, Chrome, clock, contents, and the regular typical apps that you do get, but is really not that bad. So let's see how many Samsung apps you get. You get 1, 2, 6, 8, 9 Samsung apps. Not bad at all, honestly. Let's take a look at the camera real quick. It's asking you if you want to switch to a new mode. So you do have these little bubbles here. That's for Bixby Vision. Nothing special, but so let's see something real quick. So let's take a picture of my Huawei Mate SE now. Alright. Decently snappy, and they did actually change this almost like the iPhone now. So now your menus are swipeable now, so they're not in the settings, which is very easy. So here's the Huawei Mate SE next to the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. It's about the same size, a little bit more bezel on the Mate SE, but they're definitely in similar stature. Alright guys, so if you guys like this video, please hit it a thumbs up. and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and more tech to come. So, to the next video, guys. Peace.